18504 Magic Bots here, and today we're going to be going over how to download Android Studio. So, to download Android Studio, the first thing you need to do is go to this link, developer.android.com/studio. I'll leave it in the description, and then hit enter. And it should, a page similar to this should show up. And this will work both for Mac and Windows. The only difference is that here, if you're on Windows, it'll show Windows, but if you're on Mac, like I am, it'll show Mac. Then you just hit the download Android Studio button. I have read and agreed with all the above terms and conditions, and download Android Studio. And it should automatically pop up and ask you where to download. So I'm just going to store it in downloads. And it will take a while, so I'll be back once it finishes. Okay, as you guys can see, there's about 10 seconds left to the download, and it's done. So now I'm just gonna open it, and if you're on Mac, it'll do this process where it verifies that it doesn't have any viruses. It won't take that long. Almost done. And it should open this up, and then you can just do what it says. In this case, I'm on Mac, so it just asks me to drag Android Studio over to applications. And I already have Android Studio downloaded, so I won't download the new one because it'll just replace all my files. So actually, I'll just keep both. And it's copying over Android Studio to applications. The process should be similar on Windows. Now when it's done, I can open up Finder, aka File Explorer, and I could go to Applications, and I can find Android Studio 2, and double click it, and it launches. So now you guys have successfully downloaded Android Studio. Click open, and it should automatically pop up this. So the directories below. I want to delete none of these directories. It's basically asking me if I want to delete the files I have in the other Android Studio, which I do not. And it should, a window similar to this should pop up. As you can see, I already have created some projects, Roadrunner, FTC robot code, so they show up here. But you can do whatever you want in Android Studio now. Create new project, open existing project, get from version control. Basically, get from a GitHub link. And so now, yeah, you're done installing Android Studio. The second part of this video is going to be showing how to set up Android Studio with all the files for this year's challenge. So what you do is just search up FTC robot controller, and then a GitHub link comes up, first tech challenge / FTC robot controller. Click on that, and there's two ways you could go about this. I'll be covering both. So one is you download the zip file. It's almost done. And then open when done. And it is done. So as you can see, I have this folder containing all the files for this year's challenge, ultimate goal. So if I want to import that into Android Studio, I just have to click the import project, and then you can, wherever you saved it, you can click on that you can go to there and then click on FTC Robot Controller Master, the folder with team code and FTC Robot Controller, and then click Open. And it will automatically create a new project and import all the files that you downloaded. And this is the first way that you can download the challenge. The second way is using the link. So I can just copy this link and I can click the Get from Version Control button and then paste the link, and it should clone that GitHub repository with all the same files. It's 10% done, and it finished. And it should get you to the same endpoint as the other method. And yeah, so that's how you set up Android Studio. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, be sure to subscribe. Bye.